be very honest with you. If the BJP repeatedly gets, for instance, I'll give you an example. Uttar Pradesh has more than 20% Muslim population, about 21% odd, and 25% of India's Muslims stay in Uttar Pradesh. Now tell me honestly, if the BJP's Muslim outreach was not working, how did we manage 73 seats from Uttar Pradesh in Lok Sabha 2014 and then 62 Lok Sabha seats from Uttar Pradesh in 2019? Are you saying BJP got 73 seats in the Bihar Assembly elections in 2020 without making a dent in Katihar, without making a dent in Araria, without making a dent in Kishanganj, and without making a dent in Purnia, which are Muslim-dominated areas? Are you telling me that we managed 4 Lok Sabha seats in Telangana last time in Lok Sabha 2019 with just a 19.5% vote share without catering to the Telangana Muslim voter base?
Okay, Dr. Asha Mirghe, so however much you may talk about Gomutra and Hindutva and how Muslims are being dominated, the fact is that the BJP is reaching out to all of these people as well. Iqbal Ansari, for example, is one of the invitees. Uddhav Thackeray hasn't been invited. Iqbal Ansari, who's one of the litigants in the Babri Masjid case, has been invited. He was there throwing flowers on the Prime Minister when he went to Ayodhya on the 30th.
Once I have to say, never I said, first I wanted to tell my panelists, I have never said that the educated are not with BJP. I said the educated understands what these Hippocratic Hindus are doing. They are establishing fascism and they are showing it by from demonetization. Demonetization, suspension of the MPs, use of EDs, everything.
But
now I will give the answer of your question. Now I will give the answer of your question that what you said, these Muslims were with them. I never said that 0 Muslims are there. Those 5 to 6%, which we have shown on that screen in 2014, and those 10 to 15% in Maharashtra. I'm talking about Maharashtra. They are definitely with BJP. These are the answers. One thing. Second thing, we are also Hindus. We also do fast. We also pray God. We also preach God. But we don't exhibit it.
But ma'am, just out of curiosity, does the Shiv Sena in Maharashtra agree with your definition of fascism and Gomutra and cow? Do they agree that cow, Gomutra and fascism go hand in hand?
That is to be asked to the Shiv Sena panelist, not to me. The answer is with them.
It would actually be very interesting क्योंकि संजय राउत से जब पूछा गया, संजय राउत ने कहा उन्होंने गलत क्या बोला है?
देखिए कांग्रेस, अब देखिए सावरकर की बात होती है, राहुल गांधी सावरकर को कहते हैं कि मैं माफी नहीं मांगता हूं, मैं सावरकर नहीं हूं, माफी सावरकर करते। क्या शिवसेना इसको एक्सेप्ट करती है? शिवसेना तो कहती है कि सावरकर को बाहर रखते देना चाहिए। तो मुझे लगता है कि इन पार्टियों के अंदर आपस में ही इतना अंदर वैचारिक मतभेद है कि शिवसेना और कांग्रेस कभी भी वैचारिक रूप से एक स्तर पर नहीं आ सकती। चुनाव में गठबंधन कर लेंगी
और मंदिर से और खराब
कर रहा। और ये तो कहते हैं उद्धव ठाकरे कि मेरे पिता गर्व करते थे कि बाबरी मस्जिद गिरी, हम गर्व करते हैं कि शिवसैनिकों ने बाबरी मस्जिद तो गिराया है। मैं जाना चाहता हूं आदित्य ठाकरे होकर आए।
Dr. I've never heard from the NCP about this. Uddhav Thackeray saying that my father was proud of bringing down the Babri Masjid. What is your official stand on that? Is the NCP equally proud?
भूमिका थी गिराने में शिवसेना ने।
उनके accused थे। Is the NCP as proud as Uddhav Thackeray?
See.
I don't know. You should ask to Sanju Verma.
Was Advani proud?
But
Advani said this is the...
But sir, why are you giving cover fire to Dr. Mirghe? Let her answer. Is the NCP as proud as Uddhav Thackeray?
See. That definitely my first panelist was very nice. We are having matbhed. We are not having manabhed. That is their opinion and we believe in democracy.
Apparently when Rahul Gandhi abused Savarkar, there was little bit of manbhed also. Uddhav Thackeray had threatened to pull out. उस वक्त थोड़ा सा मनभेद भी हो गया था, but I think Sanju Verma wants to intervene with something. Yes, go on Sanju Verma. I'll bring in the Congress after that.
Thank you, Padmaja. Padmaja, you know, I say that in some things, there's always a binary. It's in black and white. There is no scope for grey. And I'll tell you why. Just recently, a few months back, when Udayanithi Stalin said, Sanatan Dharma is equal to dengue, AIDS, leprosy, and unspeakable diseases. Did Sharad Pawar condemn? No. Did Uddhav Thackeray condemn? No. When Priyanka Kharge, the son of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said, अरे Udayanithi Stalin ने यदि हिंदुइज्म को डेंगू और मलेरिया के साथ कंपेयर किया तो क्या गलत किया? I stand with him. Did Sharad Pawar condemn Priyanka Kharge? No. Did Uddhav Thackeray condemn Priyanka Kharge? No. Did Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi condemn Priyanka Kharge? No. So let me be very clear. When you sit here on national television and say, why is the BJP appropriating the Ram Mandir and Maryada Purushottam Ram ki legacy? थोड़ा अपने गिरेबान में झांक कर देखिए, सनातन धर्म को जब गालियां पड़ती हैं, आप लोगों के मुंह में फेविकॉल जम जाता है। हिम्मत है टुडे ऑन लाइव टेलीविजन कंडेम उदयनिधि स्टैलिन। आई एम आस्किंग द एनसीपी पैनलिस्ट, यहाँ भाषण दे रहे हो बीजेपी को,
Dr. Mirgi,
उदयनिधि स्टैलिन,
Dr. Mirgi, respond that I really must go on to Congress. Yes.
One thing I am definitely again and again repeating, that is their opinion, and we believe in democracy and expressing their expression freedom. Freedom of
Ma'am,
expression.
with the greatest of respect,
I
एक
think
फैमिली
because
के अंदर
I-
लोग एक दूसरे को गाली देते हैं,
One
उसको
thing,
chaos
one
कहते
thing.
हैं, डेमोक्रेसी नहीं कहते।